Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss web technologies, BCom computers second year 4th sem important question concept wise. So in part A we will get 1 to 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. In part B there will be internal choice 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Part B carries 8 marks each questions. The time duration will be for 1.5 hours. So let's come to the topic. So in this session we will discuss HTML forms and form controls in HTML. HTML forms are used to collect different kinds of user data like user inputs. Example, email address, username, phone number, credit card number, etc. Form contains elements like input box, checkbox, radio buttons, submit buttons to collect input, etc. Users generally complete a form by modifying its controls. Example, entering data, selecting item. Forms are submitted to web servers for further processing. So let's we understand this so this is like an Instagram preview. So here we have to input our user ID and password. So for that, here we can see HTML forms are used to collect different kinds of data. Here we will enter our data like user ID and password. So from here Instagram collects our data. Has given in example email address, username, phone numbers, credit card, etc. Form contains elements like input boxes, check boxes, radio button, submit button. Like here, these two are input buttons and here is login or submit button, same. So this is the form to create the same table. So now we will discuss next form controls in HTML. There are different form controls like input element, text field, password field, checkboxes, fill select box, submit and reset buttons, grouping from controls. Grouping form controls. First we will learn about input element. The input element in HTML is used to create various type of interactive form controls for collecting user input. The type attribute specifies the type of input such as password, checkbox, etc. In this, a box is created and it has specification like the type of attribute. The type attribute specifies the input such as text to password. If it is a login page of WhatsApp, we can just enter 10-digit mobile number. We can't enter any name. So like this, we have to specify. In text fields are one-line areas that allow user to input. Single-line input controls are created using one input element whose type attribute values are text. In text box, we can only enter text like here in user ID, we can only enter user ID, not any email ID. Password fields. Passwords are single-line text input control using input element whose type attribute is password. So here attribute is password. We can enter only password in this column, not any user ID. Character in passwords fields are marks, that is, they are shown as dots. Masked means they are covered. You have seen in many times while logging in Facebook, if we enter password, it resembles like dot dot dot. It not shows the password because it is masked. And here it is the example form. Label for equals to user password / label. So here radio buttons are also known as buttons. Radio buttons are used to select one input from predefined set of options. Means the option will be given like 1, 2, 3. We just need to select any one. Created using input element whose type attribute is radio. Means option. So here it is given. Like in radio button, example, input type, radio name, gender, label name, male, and here second one is female. So has given in the radio option. Radio buttons are used to select one input from predefined set of options. So here we have predefined set of options like male and female. We have to select anyone like male. Hope you all are understood. Please do subscribe to our channel. Daily I will upload web technologies as well as Usmania University all semester important questions. Thank you everyone.